Okay, Sami Kujo, good evening.
Direct to the point na lang kapatid,
Yeah,
para
yeah, no,
mabigyan
no.
natin ng iba.
Okay, so I have one question. I have so many goddamn questions. Okay, so bro, so the first question is, Father, do you confronted the street preachers before? Like not in your side, but like mga Protestants, for example, like they are those kind of people like all gays go to hell singing. Like they have this megaphone and like placard something. Do you confront them before?
Direct to the point na lang kapatid,
Yeah,
para
yeah, no,
mabigyan
no.
natin ng iba.
Okay, so I have one question. I have so many goddamn questions. Okay, so bro, so the first question is, Father, do you confronted the street preachers before? Like not in your side, but like mga Protestants, for example, like they are those kind of people like all gays go to hell singing. Like they have this megaphone and like placard something. Do you confront them before?
Ah, no, because una-una before hindi pa ako aktibo sa CFD, no? And then ngayon
Okay.
nawala naman sila dahil aktibo na yung mga CFD.
Mm-hmm.
Kapatid. Mm. So before
So,
mahiyain ako no. So before hindi ko na-confront yung mga street preachers sa dito sa Bohol. Pero nung naging CFD tayo and then pagpasok ko sa seminaryo, 10 taon ako nawala sa CFD dahil nag-aaral dun sa loob. And then sa paglabas natin, dumami na naman ang CFD. So yung mga CFD talaga yung very active, very aggressive in confronting the street preachers of our Protestant brothers, kapatid.
oh, okay. So, wait. Let me open my thumb. Okay. So, 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 Father, do I have like I have na I do like the paranormal thing before. I was a bit like I'm so scared because there is actually a doorknob going opening on its own. Like yeah, I didn't touch it. So I
Ano
what
yung
will I do?
question mo sa paranormal?
Yeah, there's one time na I saw I was getting closer to a doorknob and it moved on its own.
And then, what is your question?
What will I do in that situation, Father?
Oh, unang-una, may maraming mga factor bakit gagalaw yung pintuan mo o yung doorknob mo. Baka una, merong mga kasamahan mo na binibiro ka lang. At kung walang nagbibiro sa'yo, posible yung yung lugar mo na tinutulugan mo infested kung walang tao. Okay? So anong gagawin mo? You should pray. Ask your guardian angel to be with you. Ask the intercession of all the saints. And
Jesus
then,
and Mira are
pwede
your
ka
name.
magsagawa ng simple prayer of deliverance, kapatid.
Mhm.
Cast out the unclean spirits in your room. Dahil ako ay nakaranas niya ng totoo talagang spiritual harassment. At nag ako ah, nag-retreat ako sa isang monasteryo. At itong kwarto na binibigay ng mga madre, hindi ako sinabihan na ang daming nakatira at walang makapag-stay ng matagal doon. And then hindi ako sinabihan nila. Bigla lang yung pintuan, may first door, may primary door, and may second door. So yung second door ang na-open. Akala
Oh,
ko may hangin. Pagtingin ko, wala
that
namang
that
hangin.
must
Dahil
be a
kung
sand.
may hangin, ang unang mabukas, yung primary door, yung first door, di ba?
So no one's
And
there?
then,
Or
no one's
there's no
there. And then
okay.
na-close na ko nila ko na yung first and secondary door. Yung primary and secondary door, nila ko na. Alam ko na nila ko na. At just imagine na na-open pa rin kahit nila ko na. And hindi lang yon.
Mm-hmm.
Binuksan yung pintuan ko, very wide. At ang ilaw, ino-on nila yung ilaw. Bigla lang nag-light. Sino bang yung gumalaw sa ilaw ko?
Bro is
So,
under
so
attack
ang
attack.
ginagawa ko, so kino-close ko na naman. Sabi ko sa sarili ko, baka may short circuit ito na kaya nga So ino-off ko na naman yung switch ng ilaw. So tulog ko, balik ako tulog. So pag alas 12 na, bigla na namang na-open yung secondary door. Just imagine how can you reconcile na lako na, no? And then ino-on naman na yung ilaw. Bigla namang ino-off ko na yung ilaw, di ba?
Mm-hmm.
So tinitingnan ko, na naman. So imposible ito. So
Oh.
nag-exercise ako sa lugar. And then during exorcism ko, after exorcism ko, wala nang gumalaw. And then sinabihan ko yung mga madre, sister, may kababalakan nangyari sa kwarto ko. Sasabihin namin ang totoo. May
So
nakatira
it's
dyan,
true.
Father.
So it's true
And
that
then,
the paranormal experience exists. I thought it's a YouTube thing.
it is a spiritual, real kapatid. And then, the good news is, we have the prayer of the church. The good news is we have sacramentals. The good news is we have sacraments. When we
Mhm.
embrace the sacrament, when we go to the sacraments, and when we also have a proper understanding sa how to use the sacramentals, wow, amazing. Sila yung matatakot sa'yo. Hindi na ikaw ang
Okay.
matatakot sa demonyo.
Mhm.
Kapatid,
Okay. Okay.
last question.
Okay. Damn it.
Pangatlo na ito,
Uh,
pangatlo na.
no, that's all right.
Direct to the
Okay.
point.
But Father, do you have any interest on going through the TikTok live?
TikTok live. Wala akong TikTok. Sa
I thought
akin,
you I thought you had.
talk lang
Kuya
akin.
Nas,
Talk
Kuya
lang.
Nas thought. Kuya Ta,
Si
okay.
Kuya Nas. Meron siyang TikTok. Sa
Yeah,
akin,
we are
talk lang.
sorted.
Mm.
Yeah, yeah, Ray, I'm safe. So, anyways, okay, Father. Seriously. So, do you have any
Hey,
takes on how popular culture
third
portray
question na
Jesus?
ni. Fourth question na
Oh,
ni. So, bigyan natin ng pagkakataon ng iba
okay,
sa amin ha.
okay.
Sunod na po.
Yeah, yeah.
Mm.
Bye.
God
Arigato
bless,
gozaimasu.
kapatid.
Okay, let's
Okay.
God
go
bless.
back watching Blood of Zeus.
Okay, thank you.